Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
आप सुन रहे हैं My Topic Let's Stoppery with the boy on that mobile.
Okay, hi guys, this is Pulkit. Welcome to my show जिसका नाम है My Topic Let's Stoppery. So guys, as you know, मेरा पॉडकास्ट करने का मकसद क्या होता है. मेरा पॉडकास्ट करने का मकसद यही होता है कि आप जो वहाँ पे ऑडियंस बैठी हैं वो कुछ इंस्पायर हो जाए. और ये पूरा सीजन ही मेंटल टॉक पे है, तो शायद कुछ मैं आपके जो टेंशन भरे दिमाग है ना, वो मैं आपके शायद कुछ पॉजिटिविटी ला सकूं और कुछ आपके जो थॉट प्रोसेस है वो कूल कर सकूं और आपको आगे बढ़ने के लिए कुछ इंस्पायर कर सकूं. Yes, my talks are really good, no, I know. So guys, आज मैं एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग पर्सनालिटी के साथ हूँ जो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. He is, I had a word with him like 2 weeks back. मैं उनसे एक इवेंट में मिला था दिल्ली में, and believe me, वो एक एक्टर हैं. He is an actor and he is a कन्नड़ मूवी एक्टर. And मैं उनसे बात करी ना जब, तो he was so good. और उनके जब मैंने एक्सपीरियंस सुने, बिकॉज मेरे को लगता है शायद कोई रियल लाइफ में ऐसा कोई कर सकता है अभी तक. लाइक मैंने कई लोग सुने जो बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं, बट अपनी जान पर खेल कर ऐसा काम करना, इट्स रियली रियली डिफिकल्ट. सो प्लीज लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू अर्जुन गौड़ा टू यू गाइज. हाय अर्जुन.
Hello Pulkit. Hello.
How are you?
Good to hear all those things from you.
Thank you, sir. Oh, it was my pleasure, bro. It was my pleasure, and to have you on my podcast episode is like it's a Superman kind of thing for me.
Thank you. It's my honor. Thank you.
Yeah. So Arjun, I hope everything fine over there. You're
Yes.
in Bangalore. How is everything? I hope everything is fine. Like how
Cases are increasing.
Mm-hmm.
Cases are actually spread rate is bit high. Cases are increasing a lot. But the same time recovery also it's more. Recovery is also more. So it's all about the precautionary measures, and I think even government is taking it. More than government, people are individually taking it now. That's the best part. So hope we'll overcome this soon.
So I think it will definitely going to improve. लोग अपना ध्यान रख रहे हैं, अपना सारा जितना भी है केयर कर रहे हैं, एंड आई होप ये जल्दी ठीक हो जाए. Okay, Arjun, I'm going to my topic is mental health. So are you ready to answer my question? I'm going to ask some questions over there. Yeah, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So Arjun, please tell me something about you in Arjun Gowda way.
See, there is nothing to tell about me, or there is no much thing to tell on one. I don't know whether people find it interesting or not. Basically, I'm from fitness. After my degree, I followed my passion because I started my dream by doing more of fitness certifications. I started training people. I used to work as a personal trainer before. I used to work on people's health, how they function. And I always had that close interaction with people about fitness, about nutrition, diet, programming. I used to interact with them a lot from my college days. Then later, I had my own center. I came up with my own fitness center in Bangalore called Sun Fitness. After that, I started working as an actor. Since childhood, I wanted to be an actor, but acting is not just looking good or learning acting and going into the field. Acting requires its own things. So you also have to work on your responsibilities too. So for that responsibility's sake, I came into business. I started working there so that I have little bit of income so that I can sustain in my passion field. So that I started earning from fitness. I started fulfilling my responsibility. Later, I started giving auditions for many productions. So slowly I became an actor, step by step. I did negative leads in many Kannada movies. Now, after all these things, as the time goes on, I'm getting good opportunities now, so that I will be there on screen for the more time. So now I'm a social worker. So many things at once to say.
Okay. Okay, so हम जहाँ पे जो सोचते हैं वो नहीं होता, और हम जहाँ पे नहीं जाना चाहते वहाँ ऑटोमेटिकली डेस्टिनी हमें पहुँचा देती है, और कुछ हमारे नए नए अपॉर्चुनिटीज खोल देती है. तो लाइफ अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है, कुछ नहीं पता. ओके अर्जुन, माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन इंडिया वर फेसिंग लीथल सेकंड वेव. How you were dealing with the mental health, your own mental health?
See, I know it was really bad. To be very frank, it was really bad, because environment also was in the same mindset. Because especially the second wave, I was in peak of my career. My business was doing good. My acting career was doing good. For all this effort, all these years, from 1920 I started working. At the age of 19 or 20 I started working. All these years of effort, some light I was seeing at that time, especially during the second wave. Some light for all our hard work, for all our work. That time I was seeing light, to be very frank. Suddenly, the first wave strikes, I was totally gone. Especially the second wave, we didn't even expect that. So, in terms of career, business, everything was gone. Then psychologically, the people you know the most, and your relatives, your friends of your age, they were dead. It's not that they're not well or something. And it was a situation where you can't even see their face. Go visit for one last time, you can't even see their face. This was the fate. Obviously, mental state was little bad. To be frank, worst.
I know, मतलब वो जो second wave थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा
Yes.
disturbing थी, because वो हर किसी के लिए आसान नहीं था वो टाइम, बिकॉज अनप्रिडिक्टेबल थी एंड कोई भी रेडी नहीं था, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाइज, मेंटली वाइज. एंड हम सोच रहे थे कि अब लाइफ स्मूथ हो जाएगी, बट लाइफ कभी स्मूथ नहीं हो सकती, और हम अगेन वी आर इन थर्ड वेव, दैट इज ओमिक्रॉन. सो नाउ इट्स बिट okay or like relaxing, because we are vaccinated and we don't have to like कोई हमें भागना नहीं है, और हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन भी बहुत कम है. तो इस हिसाब से बहुत सही है. इंडिया इज वन कंट्री आई गेस जिसने इतना अमेजिंग गोल अचीव किया है इन टर्म्स ऑफ वैक्सीनेशन. तो दैट्स व्हाई आप मेरे को वहां पे सुन पा रहे हैं. अगर आप वैक्सीनेटेड हैं तो दैट्स व्हाई यू आर लिसनिंग टू मी, अदरवाइज कुछ नहीं पता, हम हॉस्पिटल एंड होते. Okay, so my next question to Arjun, from actor to ambulance driver, that was a big step for you. We know that was not an easy task. Please tell us your experience. And I know that was the time you turned yourself into an ambulance driver, and you were a star. You were a rising star. How that thing that was not easy at all for an actor to step into such a thing. चलो मैं ड्राइवर बन जाता हूँ, कोई नहीं, लेट्स हेल्प पीपल, कोई नहीं, क्या होगा, लोग थोड़ा सा सोचेंगे ना, कोई नहीं, आई जस्ट डू माई थिंग. मतलब इट वाज लाइक, मेरे को तो बहुत शॉकिंग लगा व्हेन आई हर्ड दैट यू वर अ ड्राइवर, एम्बुलेंस ड्राइवर. मुझे बहुत शॉकिंग लगा, जो एक बंदा जो एक इतना अपनी लाइफ में वैसे स्ट्रगल कर रहा है, एंड ही इज हेल्पिंग पीपल. हाउ, लाइक, वाज दैट इजी?
Like I told you, situation was really bad. At that point of time, situation was really bad. I started witnessing people about their struggle, especially in terms of financial thing. See, they are losing their closed ones one side. People are losing their family members on one side. They also see, if the person is admitted to a hospital, you need money for the vaccine. You need money for people know how much they have spent money on vaccine or any other doses for them or any medical purpose or hospital fees. And that time you know how difficult it was to get a bed for a patient. It because this is a medical disaster. This is, no one should be blamed here. Government also worked as much as possible to fix things, but unfortunately they failed. To be frank, we failed today, because and every family has a death today, boss. Every family has a death today. We failed, actually. We should accept that we failed. Maybe that was a God's plan. That comes the secondary. But we failed. At least some effort of us would have saved people's life. But today, we failed saving people. That was a point where I started observing people, what they're going through. At that point, if I sit and think, my career, my family, my things, then when I gonna think about my people, my place, my surrounding, my environment? When will you even think, boss? Even at that point, if you are selfish, then what the point of living in this world?
Absolutely.
Just simple thought. Yes, just a simple thought. Then I started approaching people. If you need any help, please do let me know. Let me work for people. I started approaching doctors. I started approaching hospitals. I started approaching mortuary centers. If you have any work, let me know. And let me know, I will work for you. I'll come. I don't want any money. Somehow God has blessed me. Somehow I can eat 3 times. Somehow my savings are there. I can survive. At least at this point of time, let me do something in return to the world. This is the time I give something back to my world. I got this opportunity. God is seeing from there. Today, see, whoever made money in those days, no, by keeping extra fares for the ambulance things, let me see how long they'll sustain, what they're gonna do. Even I let those people see me, what I gonna do in my future. So once I got a call from my beloved person, he was like, I need money for an ambulance. I thought 3,000, 4,000, because it was hardly 3-4 kilometers from hospital to mortuary. Was not mortuary, the cremation center.
Okay.
From hospital to cremations, hardly it was 4 kilometers. And they were charging 15,000 for that.
Shit.
I was like, what is happening? What is happening?
Oh my God.
They're converting TT tempo travelers by putting ambulance stickers. They're asking 1 lakh rent for one tempo traveler every month. People are already dying. There you want to make money on the body? You want to make money there? Boss, even I'm a businessman. I know how to make money. You want to make money on the body? Tell me. Then I was like, okay. Get a Omni. Let me drive an ambulance. See, if you want to fix something, don't cling about it. Don't complain about it. Go with the flow. You don't want any other team with you. You don't have a rich father, rich mama, rich family. If you want to do something, get into the field first. You individually, what yourself is telling, get on the field first. See the world. Go with it. Later, God will take you where you belong to. Then I started driving ambulance. I literally went to a people place where I personally wrapped the body. I personally wrapped COVID body. I made the death certificate, then took it to cremation center. We burnt it. We took the ash, then go back to the family and give the ash pot to them. That's it.
Not
More
easy
than
at all.
more than 100 plus bodies I cremated. I literally saw the dead end in everything. Today we are sitting and planning of building a beautiful life, right?
Yeah.
I have seen the dead end of that. I have seen end of everything. I have seen end of life, end of love, end of all emotions, end of anger, end of amenity, everything. End of your passion. Okay, let me do it. Let me go. Let me go for it. And see, again, it's God's grace. I was not affected from COVID. Though I was living with the bodies, COVID bodies, I was in mortuaries, I was in cremation center. I used to literally wrap the bodies, to be frank. I used to literally wrap the bodies.
You were inhaling every particle, if I say. You were inhaling every particle of that COVID.
Yes.
And
Yes.
I don't know, there was a grace of God, a blessing,
All we need
or blessings,
do
I would
is-
say. That's why you are
all we
safe
need to do
and
is
sound.
work. If you have any calling inside, no, you just go work. Go work. But certain precautionary measures are very important, which I took. Sanitization or PPE kits or whatever it is. But still, end of the day, destiny.
Yeah. Absolutely.
So,
Absolutely.
yes.
So, यार बॉडीज के साथ रहना और क्रिमिनेशन सेंटर में अपने आप को वहां पे रखना, it's another level of mental torture. It's kind of mental torture because you see lot of bodies every second, every minute was like एक बॉडी आ रही है, फिर दूसरी बॉडी आ रही है, and third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, end numbers of body were there. Because I remember मेरे यहाँ पे even in my relative also there was very there's an aunt of mine who is no more because of the COVID. She was also at that time my cousin brother was trying to cremate her, and they were asking 45,000 from hospital to cremation ground. 45,000. 45,000. And it was hardly maybe
10 kilometers.
8, 9, not more than that,
Yes.
I guess. 8 or 9.
Yes.
Then how you can expect others to pay such number?
Yes. That's why I got into the field.
And
That's why.
And I know, Arjun, it's not easy at all. I myself was in trauma because of this, because of the second wave. I lost her, and even my family members were not well that time. They were totally. It was really tension wali situation thi. All I have to say. And mentally, and hats off to you, brother. And hats off
Thank you.
to you. Because of you, you saved so many lives. You saved so many lives. And बहुत कम है. There's so much, there are so many people in the world, but the numbers of good people, it just this much. Just a small number. And I think you are the one who were there for them and helping them. It's just a brilliant thing. क्योंकि हर कोई नहीं कर सकता. So that was, Arjun Gowda for you guys. And this is another मतलब ऐसी जैसे समथिंग ऐसी पर्सनालिटी से हम रोज नहीं मिलते. We don't meet such personality. And अपना ऑक्यूपेशन छोड़कर एक एम्बुलेंस ड्राइवर बनना जस्ट टू हेल्प पीपल, और वो भी बिना किसी मतलब वो तो आपका कोई रिलेटिव भी नहीं है, जस्ट ही इज जस्ट अ पर्सन. ह्यूमैनिटी वहां पे वो दिखती है. दिस इज ह्यूमैनिटी. यू आर हेल्पिंग. चलो, लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एंड hats off, brother. Hats off. Okay, Arjun, life is not easy, and from your experience, how one can stay calm and positive in life? How you do?
Pulkit, life is easy. Life is easy. It's very easy. It's very, we people, we make it complicated, that's it.
Okay.
We doesn't know where to put comma, we doesn't know where to put full stop, we doesn't know where to put brackets. That's a problem, that's it. Life is easy, Baijan. Life is easy. 100% easy.
Like how you can say so? Because there's so many problems in this world and you're facing them day by day. For example, Omicron is the one problem.
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
If you look at the problem, whole of your life, there will be a problem. If you look at the solution, whole of your life, you have solution. Only solution, doing, process, work.
So in
Process,
Hindi, so in Hindi we call it nazariya, right?
Yes. See, especially in a day, we have all kind of emotion. As being an actor, I always work on all. Sometimes I work on anger, I work on crying, I work on smiling, I work on happiness, joy, everything. All these are emotions. And we being humans, like how we know to operate our car, how we know to operate our mobiles, we should also know how to handle our emotions. These are the basic things. We are going to very big industries, very big companies. We are working in very big companies. We are studying in very big universities. But we are failing to learn the basic things. We are failing to teach our kids basic. So when you're happy, when you're too much happy, how you need to handle yourself. When you are sad, how to tap your own back. Come on, it's okay. Today may be not mine, tomorrow is mine. That's okay, I have one more day tomorrow. No worries. Nobody knows to tap their own back and tell, okay, come on, that's okay. That's okay, boss. That's okay. Today, okay, let me work one more day. That's okay. It's all about accepting things first. Accept it. Accept the way it is. Don't see in your mind, no, it is always like very complex thing, that. No, relax. Accept the things the way it is. First thing you have to do that. Then always appreciate what you have with you. Everybody says to me, oh, you did a ambulance driver, that too, taking bodies. I was like, what is the driver? What is a driver? Why do people look up to things or look down at things? Either people, what they do, if they do something, they look up to you in a way that, oh, you are amazing, you are like a god. No, I do make a mistakes. I'm a human. When you do something, when you see people working for their living, they're like, okay, this, why you do such things? Your driver job, I'll tell you, that was an amazing job for me. Though I may become the most successful actor tomorrow. most successful businessman tomorrow. But today I'm happy I have billions of blessings by becoming our driver. All credits to the drivers. Yes, I have billions of blessings today. Audi, BMW, you are dreaming, no? Audi, BMW, Jaguar didn't make me to talk to you today. Ambulance made me to talk to you today.
Yeah.
Ambulance gave me name today.
Yeah.
Ambulance gave me blessings of people today. See, things are not in big things. Things are there in small things.
Small things.
Always appreciate the small things in your life. Small things, consistency, do small things. You always appreciate small things. There is a God. There is everything. Stay positive. And being positive always, it's not an easy job. But Pulkit, trust me on this. The day comes where you don't even realize that you are positive on the situation or not. You are just going. You become that power one day. Try to stay positive in all the situations. Work on it. Yeah, I know you fail. I know you failed many times. A whole of your life you will fail. But trust me, one day you will win. For sure. You don't even think that you are positive or negative. You've already become that positive force. You are running. Where people are looking up to you. They are just following you. You are giving a better world for the people who are living and for the people who are coming next. That is what it is. Simple things. That is how it's supposed to be. Humanity. There lies everything. There lies everything. Giving something. In giving happiness, then this is a chemical factory. You give something heartfully, you feel so happy inside you. That happiness will always make you better. And we are not supposed to learn all these things. We are not supposed to talk all these things. This should come from genetics because we are in India, boss. We are in India. It is in our blood. It is in our veins. It is all over our body.
Absolutely.
Yeah. No guru or nobody can teach us all these things. It is in our blood because I'm an Indian.
Yeah.
I'm an Indian. It
Absolutely.
is in my heart.
Yep.
Yes.
And we are proud of it. And we are proud to be Indian.
Yes.
So मतलब अर्जुन ये जो स्माइल का राज है जो आपकी जो स्माइल है उसका राज यही है कि you just see things in a positive way. And that's why you're smiling, you are doing such an amazing job as an actor, as in your businessman, or as in मतलब जो भी आप कर रहे हो वो आप अपने ही हाथ से कर.
Yes.
From your heart you're doing.
Yes.
You're doing from your heart. That's why. And मेरे को एक चीज बहुत अच्छी लगी आपकी. There's one thing I really liked about you that you just told me that Audi, BMW ये काम नहीं आती. काम सिर्फ वो blessings आती है.
See why we are sitting today? Because I have Audi or BMW with me?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Why the audience are listening to the podcast today? Why they are seeing? Because they have. Are they searching for what they are searching for? Not for Audi, BMW.
They are
want
searching
some
for the
internal.
Yes. They are searching that connection.
Yes. Then what you want in life, you decide today.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is just a grace ball. Have more balls like this. Come on. It's just a grace ball.
Add more and more blessings in your,
yes,
in your bag.
Yes.
Add more and more blessings. Yes. Add more and more people around you. And that good number of people around you, वो सबसे ज़्यादा important है.
Yes.
Rather than all those materialistic things, I would say.
Yes. See, first it's all about individual. First you do it. You start being it. Automatically, people of same mindset, people of same thinking, they will come and join you. You don't have to search for anything. First, you do what you want to do. There are people who have the same mindset. They will come to you. Once you do, you will create, people will automatically come. They will create your environment. And it is all about managing things. You can't say, see, You can't say I don't want anything like materials, but don't value it more. Yes, we want it. Yes, we want it. We'll make sure we have. We'll make sure we earn. We do where we have many. But at the same time, I also have an attitude of giving things when it is needed. Yes, I want things. I want to grow in life. I want to think about my career. I want to think about myself more. When there is a time, when there is a need, I should also think about my people, right? Keep a plate. Put everything there. Not only you. Not only yours. Be universal. So that's it. That's it.
So you gave me an amazing lesson to me today. You know, about life, about perspective, about things how one person should look at. You gave me a proper lesson today.
Yes.
And as a podcaster, it will really going to help me out in future. Don't worry.
Honored. I'm honored. Thank you.
Yes, it will. Okay, Arjun, before moving to the last question, this is the last question actually. Do you want to say anything to the society, whosoever listening right now, or whosoever, watching you right now? You have anything you want to say in a last, like whatever thing you want to say from like, maybe शायद तुम बोल नहीं पा रहे होंगे, या you want to say something from your heart or something that you want to really want people to listen to you? Is there anything you want to say?
Keep a purpose in life. No matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what family you have come from, no matter what you're facing today, sit back, relax. It's okay, step back, sit down, relax. Keep a purpose in life. Keep a purpose in life. No matter what purpose it is. It is based on your taste. It is based on your environment requirement. It is your requirement. Keep a purpose in life. Maybe after 10 years, I'm supposed to be like this. Maybe I'm supposed to do that. Maybe I will be that. Keep working on it. Keep working on it. What I believe, what I believe, they say, okay, your soul may leave the body, but your soul is always free. That will take a new body again, that will come back. If I'm thinking today, I'll think in such a way that if I'm not able to accomplish now, at least in next, I'm supposed to do that. Let your urge, let your passion be like that. Be passionate. Today is Swami Vivekananda's birthday. Today.
Yeah, it is a National Youth Day.
Such a great man he was.
So today it is called National Youth Day.
National Youth Day today.
Yeah.
To all the youths out there, this is our responsibility. This is our responsibility to give the better world. All our ancestors did it. They lived our life to give a better world to the next generation. To make a world a better place for living. This is what our ancestors did, right? This is what our ancestors did.
Absolutely.
It's our responsibility now. World is in our hands now. Don't give a drunk society. Don't give a selfish society where people fight every day and they kill themselves. Where the people depend only on drugs. If you are doing it today, tomorrow your surrounding will do it. Your kids will do it.
Yeah.
Tomorrow whole world gonna do it. When you were born, when I was born, when I am seeing the world, look at the world, how beautiful it is. That is a gift from my ancestor. What you gonna do to this world, that is your gift to the next generation. Keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. No matter what profession you are in, No matter what you're doing, do something big, something good. Do something big, dream big. Do something big. Keep that fire in your heart. There are many people who are in pain, and don't worry about the pain. Don't worry about the loss, failure, anything. If the success is eating food with you today, failure will be waiting to sleep with you. If failure is eating food with you today, success will be waiting to sleep with you. So these emotions, these things are always will be with you. This will come and this will go. But the things you do, like today we are celebrating National Youth Day because of Swami Vivekananda's work, because of the things he did. He is not living today. His work is living till now. Work. That is why I specify about work wherever I go. Your action, your work will remain in this world. There will be no death for that. Keep a passion, keep a fire in your heart. Work for it. Go for it. God is there. He will protect you. Things will happen well for you. Hara Hara Mahadeva. This is what I believe in. Pulkit. This is what I believe in.
Har Har Mahadev. Yes, it will. And I'm sure about this, people are going to listen to you and they're definitely going to keep something like, a purpose in their life, or, to maybe in next 4 to 5 years, more and more people are going to connect with you with more, like how they can, help themselves in a way as an actor or as a trainer,
Yep.
or as an human being. As a human being. So they want to be like you, maybe in next, not 4 and 5, or maybe next 1 or 6 months or 1 year. I don't know. I don't know the, number kitna hoga. But yes, maybe in another way, another some like kuch din ya kuch mahine, jo bhi hai. But yes, there will be something like people going to connect with you and wo tumse seekhenge. And I am sure you're going to open your own a center, a rehabilitation thing where you can, jahan pe tum logo ko sikha sakte ho, how to be a good human being or how to be a society ke liye main kaise kaam aa sakta hu, something like that. I'm sure being an actor, I don't know where are you right now, or being a human, for me, you are something like this much. जो इतना कर गया.
Thank you.
And thank you so much, Arjun. Thank you so much for, coming. And thank you for, कैसा लगा, like how you felt today talking to me, and कैसा लगा?
I felt very good because when I met you also, I saw that enthusiasm in you. You have that urge to do something. Like probably I would have been weak if I was in your stage, but you're not showing it. You're not taking it out. There are people who are finding reasons. I've seen people, they are finding reasons to step back. But you, look at you, man. Look at you. You are inspiring. You are inspiring.
You told me like 5 to 10 minutes ago, we have a purpose in your life. So that's why that purpose is one thing that keeps me going.
Yes. That is why we are connected today, right?
Yeah.
That is why we are connected today.
Absolutely.
Now both of us are telling the world how it's supposed to be. Simple. Absolutely. Yes. It was obviously it was good.
Thank you so much. So guys, ये था मेरा आज का episode. कैसा लगा आपको? Please do let me know. And you can follow Arjun on social media platform. He's on Twitter. You are on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook also.
Yes.
So he's available on all the platform. You can follow him. You do have any handle, something, name or something, or just Arjun Gowda? Yeah, actor Arjun Gowda 92. So this is your handle.
Yes.
So you can follow him and keep pushing him. थोड़ा सा और अच्छा काम करे, और क्या, और ज़्यादा अच्छा काम करे. Keep pushing him and keep supporting him so that more and more people will come and do such work like him. मैं चाहता हूँ आप निकलें, वो इंस्पायर आप ऐसे हो जाएं. तो ये मेंटल हेल्थ का यही एक मेरा वो था मकसद कि आपको एक वे आउट दिखाया जाए कि यस, और भी ऐसे लोग हैं जो आप उदास मत होए, ऐसे बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं दुनिया में जो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू अर्जुन, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग. एंड सो गाइज, ये था मेरा आज का एपिसोड. कैसा लगा मुझे जरूर बताइएगा. एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, ध्यान रखना है और दुआ में याद रखना है. बाय बाय.